So in this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate ChatGPT into Google Docs. So all you need to do as usual is to have your Google account open, and you can come to your browser at any given point to just search for docs.google.com. Okay, and you can just go ahead and open your Google Docs. So the first thing you need to do is to create a blank sheet, or if you want to start from any other sheet, you can start. So you can just come all the way here to blank sheet, and the next thing is you just try to create a name for that sheet. Okay, so you can just give it trying GPT on docs. Okay, so you can just give it a name. So we can see now we are trying GPT on docs. So the next thing you need to do is to come over to extensions over here. You can see you can come to add new extensions. You can just go on to get add-ons, and it will be brought in back here. So you can just go ahead and search for an extension. You can just search for GPT, and you can see this one, the first one, GPT for sheets and docs. So you can just select it, and this is it right here. So you can just select again. So you can go ahead and just install it. I've just installed mine. So you can see GPT in Google Sheets and Docs. Get the full power of AI for inspiration, data cleaning and classification, extraction, translation, editing, addition, summarization, writing directly. You can do all that within Google Sheets without you going to the API website or the OpenAI website to do it directly with ChatGPT. You have it installed. Once you have it installed, you can just go ahead and click to install it. And once you install, you can just go ahead and kickstart. Okay, so you can close over this once you install the app. So you can be able to see these two things. Once you install the app, you see how to set up your API key. This is the next step, because once you install everything, you need to set up the API key. And to set up the API key, this is the procedure, but then I can still show you. You can just go back to your doc, and you can still come to extension over here. You just click on the extensions, and you can see what you've just installed, GPT for sheets and docs, and you can just come over here. You can come to set API key. So you can click on this, and then you'll be prompted to this. You need a working OpenAI API key to use on this platform. Get your API key from your dashboard. You can just click on this and get it directly, or you can go to your OpenAI account. You can just go ahead and log into your openai.com. Okay, just go ahead and log into your main dashboard, and then once you're brought in here, you can come over to your personal account. You can click here. You can come all the way directly to view API keys. You can just click here. So once you're here, you can just come directly and say create API key, and this is your API key that's generated. So you can just copy this directly and then come back to your Google Sheet and paste it right here. So you can just paste it and just check. So your API key is valid, and you can now say save your API key, and then you're out of here. Okay, so the last step is you can still come down to API key, and you can come to GPT for sheets and docs, and then you can just go ahead and say launch the sidebar. So you can just click, and the sidebar will be launched here by your side. So as you're working, you can still be able to do a lot of prompts, and you'll be able to have everything inside your docs. So choose an action, write custom prompts. So you can just go ahead and type, can you tell me about ChatGPT? Okay, so this is just a normal prompt. So you can create any prompt of your choice, but you can ask it anything. And then if you want the prompt to be inserted into your Google Docs, you can just go ahead and tick on this box and say insert prompt in doc. Or if you don't want it to be inserted, you can just leave it, and then only the results of the prompt will be inserted into your doc. So but in my own case, I want to insert it, so I can just select it, and I can just click on submit, and you can just give it some seconds. It's going to prompt it, and then it's going to insert the prompt in the document. So you will know exactly which of the prompts you are getting an answer to. Alright, so you can see it has just given us the answer. Can you tell me about ChatGPT? And you can see the answer. ChatGPT is a chatbot designed to engage in conversation with users. It is programmed to understand natural language and respond to queries with preset responses. ChatGPT uses artificial intelligence technology to stimulate human conversations, allowing users to interact with it in a manner that feels natural and organic. So it can assist with a wide range of tasks, including answering questions about a particular topic, offering suggestions on things to do, and providing personalized advice. It can also be used for entertainment purposes such as playing games or telling jokes. Overall, ChatGPT is a useful tool for anyone looking to engage in conversation with an intelligent chatbot. You can see it has just told us about what our basic prompt is all about, and then it inserted the prompt at the beginning, okay, at the top of it all. And then you can check around if you want to do more things. For example, you can just go ahead. If you want to do change the tone of a particular speech or of a particular write-up, you can change the tone from here. If you want to fix grammar and spelling, you can just go ahead and fix grammar and spelling. If you want to summarize a given text that you have in your document, maybe you've written a document and you want a summarized part of it, you can go ahead and summarize it. Or if you want to translate a given document to any language of your choice, you can go ahead and do that with this very add-on that you have, the extension that you've just installed. So basically you can do whatever you want compared to the way you have it on the OpenAI website or on the ChatGPT platform directly. You can do the same with this very add-on as well in your Google Docs. So writing and editing and all that becomes a little bit easier for you, so you don't have to always be moving around to the other content, to the OpenAI's website and then coming back there about. So let's try to make some mistake here on this document, on this little answer that it gave us, and see how we can fix the correction, the spelling mistakes. So for example, here I can say simulate. Let's make it stimulate, something like this. This is a mistake, so let's say engage, we can put double G, and then users programmed, we can say 1M or thereabout, you know. So entertainment, we can say entertainment without the T, and let's see whether it can be able to help us correct the spelling mistakes. So sometimes you have to copy and just paste over here, and you can just go ahead and say fix grammar and spelling and submit. And you can see it right here, everything is being fixed. Simulate, entertainment, you can see everything is corrected, everything within just one click, and it has fixed the title for us. So this is fixed grammar and spelling. This is what it does for us. It fixed the grammar and spelling of this, and you can see it has given us the corrected version. So this is exceptionally useful, especially if you are doing write-up on your thesis, on your journal paper writing or conference paper or anything, book writing, ebooks or thereabout, or you're just going about your normal write-up. You can incorporate this chatbot to have the best experience with it. So it's a new thing, so please try to see how you can use it to your advantage to help in your academics and so on. So I think that does it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more and more videos like this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.